Why do a lot of loose powder smell like baby powder? I don't like that. This, if I go to work or I'm sure you guys don't really care about why I don't post or my life or whatever, so let's just jump into the makeup section of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my base routine. I did one of these, I think it's almost a year ago now, but it was one of my first kind of videos, and I just wanted to do an updated version of it and show you the products that I have been loving recently. So first, start with primer. I use primer every single day. I don't miss primer unless I'm half asleep and I forget, which happens not very often. But I have been really enjoying this one. This is the Mecca Cosmetica Multi-Purpose Plumping Balm. I'm pretty sure I've used it a few times on my channel already, and I just really like it. And I'm more combination now. I've been combination oily pretty much my whole life, but the last maybe year I've noticed that my skin doesn't get as oily as it used to be, but it definitely does still get oily throughout the day. Not a lot, just a little bit. So I'm calling myself combination skin now, and I've noticed that because I am getting older, I'm getting some fine lines, and I think my skin is dehydrated because at work I don't remember to drink water. I'm always busy, so drinking water is really hard. At home it's okay because I go to the fridge every 5 seconds to see what I can eat. Then I realize I shouldn't be eating and I will have some water.
Well, at least you like the food.
Oh, I like food all right. I like pizza. I like bagels. I like hot dogs with mustard and beer.
I get the picture.
I'll eat eggplant. I could even eat a baby deer. La 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 la. Who's that baby deer on the lawn?
Enough already.
Sorry.
I've been really enjoying this. This is more of a hydrating primer. So yeah. Smells pretty good too. So I don't think I've mentioned before on my channel, I don't think so, but I am actually a beauty advisor at Priceline, and I get questions all the time on foundation. Foundation all day, every day. My foundation doesn't last. It rubs off. It gets all patchy. All these like issues with foundation, and to be honest, I don't really experience them anymore. I definitely used to. I did have a skincare routine, but it wasn't a good routine for me. I was using a lot of like Clearasil and shit like that, which strips the crap out of your skin. So that's why I was super oily, but also at the same time really dry because my skin was freaking out. So if you have foundation issues, look into your skincare. A lot of people, I ask them, okay, your foundation doesn't last. Do you have a skincare routine? No. Okay, well that's where you need to start. No foundation is going to look good if you don't take care of your skin. That's just how it is. Speaking of foundation, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in 202. I have been really in love with this, which is so weird. I didn't think I would like it. But in saying that, I do always set my foundation, so that could be why. But yeah, I've just been really loving this. It's not full coverage, it's more medium coverage, which I think I've been a little more into lately. It covers what I need to, but you can still see my freckles and stuff, which I don't mind. And for foundation and concealer pretty much, I always use a sponge. I normally use the Beauty Blender, but I've been using This is the Eco Tool sponge, and I really enjoy it. I just find that with a sponge, I get the best finish possible. Sometimes with a brush, or a lot of the time with a brush, I feel like my skin looks dry and I don't want it to look dry. So all of my redness is gone. My skin looks pretty even and you can just see freckles, and I don't mind that. And then that's my actual face. A lot of redness always around here. Okay, so foundation is done. I've been going between these two concealers pretty much. So either the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in a 15 Fair, or the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, which has, it's very similar to the Maybelline one, just has more coverage. And that's what I'm going to use today. I really like this. I just wish that it didn't oxidize. That would be great. And I've got the lightest shade, which is Fair 5. So I think they should probably come out with even lighter shades, because that's not that light. Not that light. And I like this concealer because it's not fully matte, and I have really dry under eyes. I don't know why. I generally use 2 eye creams morning and night, so that has definitely helped, but they still just always look dry. So once concealer is done, I set it with a loose powder. Today I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection powder in translucent. Why do a lot of loose powders smell like baby powder? It's really annoying, because it's not the best smell in the world. And then depending how I feel on the day, sometimes I set the rest of my face and then sometimes I don't. I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal down my nose a little bit here and a tiny bit on my chin. And then I'll powder on top of that, and then I'm not gonna powder anymore. That's pretty much my base done. I'll show you guys the rest of my makeup as well, just in case you want to see how I do bronzer, blush, highlight, etc. But yeah, it's very easy. You just need to make sure you have your skincare routine. You have to make sure that you have products that work for you. If you find that you always put on foundation with your hands and your foundation never lasts, try a brush. Try a sponge, try something different. It's not the foundation. I mean, it might be the foundation. You could look into that too, but I would definitely think about how you apply first and then look at the product. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Tea bronzer. I'm not gonna do super heavy makeup today. Using the Morphe E3 brush, my favorite brush for bronzer. For blush, I'll be using the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in Plum Rose. Pretty is the packaging. And my favorite part, highlighter. I'm using the Jouer powder highlighter in Citrine. Oh crap. Maybe a little bit too much. Nah, that's fine. And then it depends on the day, but generally I will always use the setting spray. Today I'm going to use the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go. This is one I've been using a lot recently. And then I will go over it with my sponge. Guys, so that is my base routine. It's nothing revolutionary, but I know that a lot of people do struggle with how to get their base looking flawless and to last all day. And this will last me all day, 12 hours easy. I will get a little bit oily because I'm an oily person, but it's not gonna move, it's not gonna fade away, it's still gonna be on my face, and yeah. That's all I want in life. It does maybe look a little bit funny with my eyes not done, but I need to film another video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We hit 100 subscribers, which I cannot believe. That's very exciting. There's 100 people who actually want to watch my videos and follow me, which is just so cool. Like, that's awesome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!